and welcome to video 2 of Banking and Credit in Canada. In this section, we'll talk about debit and credit cards in Canada. Here are some credit and debit definitions. A debt is an amount that you owe. A debit is a withdrawal from an account. Credit is an unsecured loan. An unsecured loan is a loan where there's no collateral. Collateral is something that is pledged as security for repayment of a loan, and it could be forfeited in the event of default. Default is failure to fulfill an obligation, especially to repay a loan. Let's talk a little bit about debit cards. Debit cards are issued by your bank. A debit payment takes the money directly from your bank account, but if you overspend, the bank will charge you a high overdraft fee. Debit cards can be used almost anywhere that credit cards are used, but there's no annual fees or service charges. Some can also be used for online purchases, but the funds are still taken directly from your bank account. If you have one of these cards, they'll have a Visa or MasterCard symbol on the card. International students can get a credit card in Canada. Applying and using a credit card will help to build your credit score in Canada. Your credit score can help you in the future to secure an apartment, get a car loan, and one day a mortgage in Canada. When choosing a card that suits your needs, consider the interest rate, annual fees or other user fees, the real value of any points or benefits offered, and how you will use the card. To compare different credit cards, you can search FCAC Credit Card Comparison Tool. Using your credit card. Credit is a debt that must be repaid. Pay the balance in full each month, or pay as much as you can. Don't just make the minimum payment. Or, if you always carry a balance, try and get a card with a lower interest rate. Try and pay a few days before the due date. Have no more than 2 credit cards. And start using your card to begin building credit in Canada.